What is good, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can draw a line art in Adobe Illustrator. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Eben, and what I do on this channel is that I teach people vector art, and I also teach them some basics of graphic design. So if you're interested in learning this, kindly click on the subscribe button and also enable bell notifications so you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. So without me wasting time, let's jump right into the video. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to create a new layer, a new document by pressing Ctrl N, and then I'm going to make a document of 10 inches by 10 inches, and then we're going to start with that right now. So I already have the document here since it's one of my recent items, so I'm just going to press create, and then the document is going to be opened in Illustrator. So we have the document here. The next thing we're going to do now is that we're going to drag and drop in the picture we're going to use for this tutorial. So I'm going to go down here and then drag this image and then drop it on this new document. So we have the picture here. So what we're going to do now is that while having the picture selected, we're going to go down to this opacity and then drag it to your desired level. This is just to make it easier for you to see the lines you're going to be drawing. It's not compulsory for you to do. If you don't need it, you can either skip this step and then move forward. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to create a new layer for our line arts and then lock the bottom layer. So the next step we're going to do is applicable to those that have a graphics tablet, and if you want to do this with your mouse, kindly click on the link in the description below, or you can either click on the YouTube card above to watch the video where I told you guys that you can get this exact brush using your mouse, and then you can later come back to this and continue with the process of the tutorial. So if you are using a graphics tablet, what you want to do is that you want to come down to this place, select new brush. While having this calligraphic brush selected, select OK, and then come down here and select pressure. So what we want to do is that we want to input 3, and then here we want to input 3. So we have that. Just press OK, disable this, and this should be black. Make it black. Okay, and then come down here and select your brush size. So you're good to go. You can just start the process of the line art and then you can draw with me. So let's start from the nose. So we have that. So for the eyeball, let's just do this. Come down to pencil, make sure you have black selected and disable this. So just draw. Boom. So we have that there. So let's continue drawing. So we're coming to the end of the tutorial, guys, and I hope you're enjoying it. I know it's kind of boring, yeah, I know, but I'm just trying to keep up uploading content on the channel. If you watched my last video, I told you guys I'm working on some upgrades that are coming to this channel real soon, and it will soon be here. Like, I want to take it to more serious this time around. I want to give you more quality content. I have so many ideas coming up, and I just wish you stick around till the time comes when I'm going to unleash them. Yeah, that pretty covers up what I want to do in today's video. And if you found value in today's video, kindly click on the subscribe button and also like and share this video to your friends that you think it might be useful for. And then just try to stay safe, be good, and everything will be fine. And check out other content of the channel, and then most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That helps me a lot and that keeps me moving. Also comment for more video suggestions, and also follow me on my social media platform to keep up with 24/7 updates from me. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.